Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add account numbers in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing multiple accounts or want to organize your chart of accounts more systematically, enabling account numbers gives you better control and makes navigation much easier. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to click the gear icon located at the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all the important settings and configurations within QuickBooks. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options organized by category. From this menu, look for the section labeled Your Company and select Account and Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of how QuickBooks operates for your business. Once you're in, navigate to the Advanced tab on the left side of the Settings panel. This tab houses several powerful features that allow you to fine-tune your QuickBooks experience. Within the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the Chart of Accounts section. Here you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This opens up the specific settings related to your chart of accounts. Now you'll see an option that says Enable Account Numbers. Toggle this switch to turn it on. This step is crucial because it activates the feature that allows you to assign numbers to your accounts. If you'd like those account numbers to be visible throughout QuickBooks, you can also check the box that says Show Account Numbers. This makes them appear alongside account names, which can be especially helpful when you're running reports or searching for specific accounts. Once you've made these selections, click the green Save button to apply the changes, then click Done to exit the Settings menu. Now that account numbers are enabled, let's assign numbers to your individual accounts. From the left menu, select Transactions, and then click on Chart of Accounts. This brings up your full list of accounts. To add numbers efficiently, click the pencil icon on the top right of the Chart of Accounts section. This opens the Batch Edit mode, which allows you to add numbers to multiple accounts at once without having to open each one individually. Simply enter the account numbers you want in the appropriate fields. When you're finished, click Save on the top right to finalize your changes. If you're not quite ready to commit or want to review your entries, you can always click Cancel and come back later. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.